Finlandia Hall, one of Helsinki's most iconic architectural landmarks, and a masterpiece by the legendary Finnish architect Alvar Aalto. The hall's most famous features include its asymmetrical windows, distinctive wave-like auditorium ceiling, and the meticulous use of natural materials such as Finnish birch, walnut, and marble. Aalto believed architecture should be a total work of art, and Finlandia Hall is exactly that, from the custom-designed furniture and lighting to the acoustics tailored for both speech and symphony. Since its opening, Finlandia Hall has hosted presidents, royalty, world leaders, and renowned musicians. It played a central role in Finland's Cold War diplomacy and was the venue for the Conference on Security and Cooperation in Europe, CSCE, in 1975, a major turning point in East-West relations. Today, the hall remains a vibrant cultural and civic venue, offering everything from classical concerts and jazz festivals to design fairs and public lectures. Guided tours are available for architecture enthusiasts, and the surrounding park area is perfect for a scenic stroll with views of the bay and Oodi Library just nearby. Whether you're attending a world-class performance or simply admiring its elegant design from the outside, Finlandia Hall stands as a testament to Finland's architectural innovation and cultural ambition.